The State Fair is definitely a classic, and so are the cars on the Grand Concourse during the Classic Cars display.
Yeah, this is the Concrete Cruisers. It's a local East Side group, been around for 28 years. We have a lot of guys in it, a lot of families. It's all for charity, and I guess the reason I really like the Cruisers is we do a lot of stuff together. It's just a very inclusive group. I'm a country boy, and these guys are all from the East Side, and I tell you what, if you need something, they'll help you, and I love being a part of the Cruisers.
I like the hood birds, the chrome, the grills. That's what I'm looking at. I think America is in love with cars, and these bring it out in everybody. Our car group is the classic Chevys of Central Iowa. We go from 1955 to 1972, or anyone that's interested in a car can join our club. They don't have to have a car. Most of our charitable work is with Ronald McDonald House. They're local and they do a very good job for the kids. My first car was a 56. And it's just something that we grew up with, and we just like them, and they're fun to drive. You don't put these on cruise, you drive these.
Well, I had a 55 Chevy. The Iowa State Fair and Iowa, so it's nice to see it every year.
All your hoods mostly open from the side. The 1935 three-window Chevy Coupe. That's just where they made them in those days. I just like speed, but I don't speed anymore like I used to. I burn the tires now and then, but just to show off a little bit, you know.
You just get that hot rod in your veins, and it's a great thing. Driving it, building it, it's not about showing off a fancy car. It's about having fun and just enjoying the camaraderie about it.